This is my 2014 Buick Lacrosse Leather Edition with the HID headlights, and recently the driver's side headlight went out. So I started looking online to find the bulb, and once I started reading, I found that most people were saying if you have the HIDs, you want to replace both bulbs at the same time due to the new ones possibly being brighter or having a more bluish tint than the old OEM bulbs. And the old OEMs range anywhere from $80 on up to $140 depending on where you bought those. So I ended up coming across some aftermarkets that I got off Amazon. They had some really good reviews, and they were only $37 for both. So I ended up buying those, and they arrived today, and I decided to start working on this. Well, I realized that it is very difficult to get in here to get the cover off to access the bulbs on both sides, driver and passenger. So I found a YouTube video that a guy made where he had to change the passenger side, and he ended up removing the air filter box to get back here to the housing. And this cover has two little Phillips screws, which is a Phillips #1. And once that box is out of the way, you pull the cover, and you can get in there with a screwdriver or a ratchet with a Phillips head on it and remove this and swap it out fairly easy. The cover's just this round plastic cap, and you turn it counterclockwise to get it off, and then clockwise to put it back on. Make sure it's nice and tight and sealed. You have this rubber O-ring that prevents water from getting in. You want to make sure that's clean and not dry rotted before you put it back together. You definitely want to keep the water out. This is the old OEM bulb that came out of it. This is a DS3 35 watt HID bulb. There is a little clip on the harness. I got in there with a little pick and pulled that clip back, and the harness pulled right off the bulb. You will have to remove the harness while the bulb is still in place. There is not enough wire on either side to pull the bulb out and disconnect it. You literally have to disconnect this harness before you remove the bulb. So I would do that before you take the screws out. I guess poor engineering, but it is what it is. I ended up making it work and got that one swapped out pretty easy. But when you get over to the driver's side, it's a whole nother story. You have the fuse box that is basically right up against the housing, and you can't get in there hardly with anything. Plus you have this fill tube for your window washer fluid, and this guy just basically pulls right out of there. So you do have to remove this to give yourself a little more room. And once everything's out of the way, I was able to get in there and remove everything with this electric ratchet wrench, which I picked up from Harbor Freight. This is the Hercules brand. They do have the 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch drives. I decided to go ahead and get the 3/8 versus the 1/4, because if you put this Phillips socket on the 1/4 inch ratchet, it will not be long enough to reach the screws. So I got the 3/8 1/4 inch reducer, and then I put the Phillips socket on that, which gave me the proper length to reach in here and remove those screws. So it made life much easier. The wrench itself was $59, and then you got to buy the battery, which is the 2 amp hour 12 volt lithium. That's the smallest and cheapest one that they had, so that was roughly 27 bucks. And then the charger for it was 47 and some change. So I had to spend a little extra money to get the job done, but I will definitely use this guy many times in the future. So this is the tool you need to change out the driver's side, and I would also use it over there on the passenger side. So I wanted to make this video because there's nothing online showing how to get this thing out of here. You know, I didn't want to spend a ridiculous amount of money at the dealer just to swap out 2 light bulbs. So if you guys are looking for a way to change your bulbs, this is what I would recommend. I will also post the links for the tools and bulbs in the video. Thank you.